Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode, we will be building part 3-28B, the Boiler Regulator top for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. On G-Tex, this episode we will be building part 3-28B, the Boiler Regulator top for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's open up template MMGS. Okay, let's go top plane, sketch, we want square. This is going to be 26 by 26. 26 by 26. Oh, missed. Oh, how did I do that? There we go. That's going to be 3 mil thick. That's going to be boss extrude, 3 mil. Doesn't really matter about whether it's mid plane or not, but we'll do it anyway. And that's going to be brass. Now on top it's going to be normal 2, sketch. It's going to be 4 holes, which this may sound familiar from the last piece. This goes on to the last piece. So do 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's going to be equal. Those holes are going to be 3 mil. Smart dimension. 3 mil. All done. Beautiful. Okay, so now it's going to be actually before I do, make those horizontal vertical, beautiful, and vertical. Done. Okay. Now, from the center point here is, what's it, 9.5? Yeah, 9.5. 9.5. 9.5. 9.5 and 9.5. Okay, they're done. Beautiful. We're going to feature extrude all, or extrude cut through all, and done. So now we're going to do fillet that piece. Oh, that corner I missed. There we go. And that corner, which is going to be 13 minus 9.5, 3.5. Beautiful. Lines up there. So that sounds familiar. Exactly what we did last time. Okay, now we want top part. So this one here. Sketch, circle, and that's going to be 12 mil. 12 mil. Can be extruding of 9, and done. Okay, so that whole wizard thread, we want M12. M12 is going to be up here somewhere. There we go. Let's see if we can get this right. So if I go one there to there, that's good. Now if I go to offset, How do I do this for? No, not offset. Oh yeah, trim face. Let me do those two. But if we do offset, nope, that wasn't right. How did I do that before? Okay, let me just hold on. Let me clear selection. Clear selection. Let me go that one. Top one. Bottom one. Offset. Hold on. What is he going that way for? What does this do? Cannot create thread. Hold on. Extrude. What does that do? Nothing. Okay. Let me cancel that. Oh, man. Every time I think I got this right, I end up coming totally bamboozled myself. Okay. So if we do that one. Okay, it's gone past that. It's beautiful. So don't touch another thing. But if we go to trim with face. Okay. There we go. Got it. There's a way to get rid of that too. There is a way to get rid of that as well. So I have to look at that again. Every time I'm seeing do a good or camera come in, I just seem to bugger up again. Oh boy, I don't know. Okay, anyway. Sketch, circle. That's going to be 18. Yep, it's going to be 18. So sketch. Nope. Nope, get rid of that circle. Thank you. Sketch. Sorry, smart dimension. 18. That's going to be extrude 12. 12. Beautiful. And done. And then we're going to go sketch layer. Circle. Touch the outside one. That one there. That's going to be 8. 8. And that's going to be through all. Okay, feature, through all, and done. Yeah, is that a hole? Is that a thread in that? I think it might be. Oh boy. Okay, hole wizard thread. So it's going to be up to there. Oops, sorry. I changed it. Put that one there. Change the box, thank you. Up to there. Why the hell did they do that? Oh, hold on. Let me just clear that one. Up to selection, that's what I wanted. There we go. Now if we go down to trim faces, trim both of those. There's a way to bring that one out. I know there is. I've seen it. See, the thing is, that's going that way. Can't go any more that way. What does that do? Does it break everything? still going that way. If I do that, nope, let me just clear that one. Do that, nope. Extrude. There we go. Clean there, but not there. But it still works, so it's not like you couldn't put a thread in there. Pretty sure it's thread in there. It looks like it is. So that should be that piece done. It is. That piece is done. Alright, that's part 3-28B, the Boiler Regulator top done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button if you did. If you want to see more, subscribe. Leave comments below. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you so much. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.